today in front of me Honor 8X, and I'll show you how to change default apps on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then just scroll to the apps section. Here you'll see the default apps, and for example we want to change the default browser, so tap there, and now as can you see we got the Google Chrome. So for example when someone will just send you a link, you will just tap on this link and you will open your this link in the Google Chrome. But if you don't want to use the Google Chrome and you want to just use the Xiaomi browser, you just should select this browser, and now just go back, and as can you see we got the browser app like the default one. And if you want to just switch it again, just tap here on the Chrome browser, and that's it. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.